Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add sunset video filters in CapCut PC. So it's super simple, it's super easy. Just tap on import to import your video you want to edit, and then just going to drag to the track and just going to filters. So you can find in nature, sorry, and style. And if here's sunset filter, just tap on add to track, adjust for duration until finish the video, and you can adjust for the strings like so. So here we go. You can also add the transition, text, or audio you like. Yeah, it's basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. So guys, thank you so much for watching.